This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Jennifer Cool. Adorable second floor condo in the heart of Ghent. Enjoy the ability to work, live and play with close proximity to everything. Excellent condition with hardwood floors and open floor plan. Stainless appliances in the kitchen including a wine refrigerator. 2 master bedrooms with ensuite full baths make this a perfect setup for a variety of living arrangements. Close to EVMS, downtown, restaurants and bases. This one is ready for you. For more information, review the details below.